It is given to me by the question that theta is sufficiently small angle. How small? It is small enough according to what the question wants me to show. It is small enough for me to ignore anything that is theta to the power of 3 or above. So by making use of either what we have memorized from our outline or from your formula sheet, 1 over cosine theta can be re-expressed as 1 minus 1 over 2 theta squared, and sine theta can be re-expressed as just theta. What the question wants us to show is that AC can be re-expressed as a polynomial. According to what we have discussed in our Maclaurin's outline, in the Maclaurin's outline under hence, we have talked about how we can re-express something that is like this in terms of a polynomial, and the method that we will use is actually the binomial expansion concept. So what we are going to do is I'm going to re-express this by bringing the denominator up into the numerator, which means that it is going to be 1 minus 1 over 2 theta squared minus theta to the power of negative 1. Let me try to re-express this, then we will apply the binomial expansion. So this I'm going to rewrite it as 1 plus, this is minus theta minus 1 over 2 theta squared. And the whole thing to the power of minus 1, applying the binomial expansion, either using the formula that is in your formula sheet or just applying binomial expansion from definition. This is just 1 plus minus 1 of minus theta minus 1 over 2 theta squared plus minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 factorial of minus theta minus 1 over 2 theta square and so on. I'm ignoring anything that is possibly going to give me theta to the power of 3 and above. So this is going to be 1 plus theta plus 1 over 2 theta squared. This is 1. What I have here, it is basically just theta squared, because the next term, it is going to be theta to the power of 3. So this and so on. So what we have now, it is a 1 plus theta plus 1 over 2 theta squared, and this is plus theta squared and so on. So this is 1 plus theta plus 3 over 2 theta squared. And this is what the question wants us to prove, and this is going to be, the coefficient of this is going to be A, and the coefficient of this is going to be B. So A is going to be 1 and B is going to be equal to 3 over 2.